Hey guys, we're live at 8:51, and we are battling for Lindsay's Orange Snake Yoda. Always a nice figure. I'm a Yoda fan, as are most. I got 11 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 11. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 7. We're golden. Good luck, guys. Josh, round 1. Ricardo, 2. Ben, 3. Ben, 4. Ricardo back on top for round 5. Ben, round 6. And our winner is Peter Sharp. And at number 4, congrats, Peter. IBDTAO is our verification. Peter in at number 4 is the champ of Lindsay's Yoda. I'm done at 8:52 p.m. Eastern Time on a Wednesday night in Pennsylvania. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.